Hello my dear students and dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Physics Ka Funda. Today I have come with a new concept on your high demand. That is, I'm starting a series of classes for class 12 physics. This is my first attempt, so it is my request to all of you to suggest me. Okay, please don't hesitate to suggest me. So let's start the video. Today in this video I shall try to provide some idea of refraction of light in spherical surface, how lights are refracted through a spherical surface and forms images of different kinds. Different kinds means like real image or virtual image. Okay, we will take only point objects. I will try to make you understood how spherical surface formula is derived, like we got in class 10, like the lens formula and thin lens formula, and what else we got. In case of reflection we got the mirror formula. Like that only we are having spherical surface formula. That formula also how it is been derived, I will teach you. So first of all, you have to understand how many types of spherical surface we have, like spherical lens, spherical mirror. Here also we are having, there are two types of spherical lens, two types of spherical surface. One is convex, one is concave. As you know, convex is definitely, convex will be what? Which one will be convex? Convex will be that surface. This surface is convex surface, this one. This surface will be convex. Why it will be convex surface? Because here you see, this is definitely this spherical surface that is made up of glass. Okay, this part is glass part, understood? This is glass. Okay, we made by glass. That's why this is, we're writing here, you see, wait, we're writing here, this is denser medium. Why it is denser medium? Because it is glass. Why it is rarer medium? Because it is, we can take air or other medium also, but that is rarer medium, but glass is the denser medium here. So what is convex spherical surface? Convex spherical surface is that surface whose face, this one, this surface or is bending outward, and you see this, and that surface is said to be concave surface. Like this, concave surface will be like this, whose this one, this bending inward, it is bending inward. Clear? If the surface is bending inward, it will be concave, as you know that actually, so no need to explain more here. Okay, let's go to the next page. So here you see what we have to do. So in both the cases we have to study how the images are formed. So here we see in convex surface, first of all we have to study the convex surface. In convex surface, how the images are formed and what is the nature of the image, we have to understand that. So there you see, I have given number 1, object at rarer medium. So here you see, you can place the object at rarer medium, you can place the object at denser medium, but here you see rarer medium has refractive index mu1, I have written by mu1, and denser medium has refractive index mu2. You can write by n1 and n2 also, n1 small n and n2. These are the refractive index. You can write refractive indices by n1 also, mu1 also. It's up to you how you write. Now you see, you have to understand how images are formed. Yes, before that you have to understand where we can place the object. We can place the object out, means outside the glass, means that is in the rarer medium also, or inside the glass, that is in the denser medium also. Here you see, in this case the object is, this is the object, this is the object, object is in the denser medium. So we have to understand all, okay, by part. Okay, now you see here, okay, here you see object is outside, and that object is a point object. Clear? That is a point object, you know, because this one, you see, from the point the ray of light is going and it is incident on the spherical surface. when it is incident on the spherical surface, here you see, you have to understand that this is a convex spherical surface. In case of convex spherical surface, so this, if we complete this circle here, if we complete this circle, this will be having center where inside the spherical surface, inside the glass. That's why this C is the center of curvature. So as this C is the center of curvature, therefore you have the normal, where normal drawn on any point on the spherical surface is that means any line you draw on the spherical surface will be, any line you draw on the spherical surface will be what? Will be the normal. For Assamese medium I am telling, আমি আজি কি কৰিব গৈ আছো, আমি আজি গোলাকাৰ পৃষ্ঠত, spherical surface means গোলাকাৰ পৃষ্ঠত কেনেকৈ প্ৰতিসৰণ ঘটে আৰু কেনেকৈ প্ৰতিবিম্ব গঠন হয়, আমি হেতু চাব গৈ আছো। তো গোলাকাৰ পৃষ্ঠ কেই প্ৰকাৰৰ? দুই প্ৰকাৰৰ, উত্তল আৰু অৱতল। এই ক্ষেত্ৰত এটো উত্তল, অৱতলত বেন্ডিং ইনওয়ার্ড হয়, ভিতৰ ফালে বেন্ডিং হৈ থাকে আৰু বাহিৰ ফালে বেন্ডিং হৈ থাকিলে এটো উত্তল হয়। সো উত্তলত সোৱা আমি কি কৰিছো, অবজেক্ট এটা লৈছো, অবজেক্টটো কি? বিন্দু আকাৰৰ। ওকে, বিন্দু আকাৰৰ অবজেক্ট লৈছো, পইণ্ট সাইজ অবজেক্ট। এতিয়া পইণ্ট সাইজ অবজেক্টৰ পৰা কি হ'ব? পোহৰ কি হ'ব? লাইট কি হ'ব? ইনসিডেন্ট হ'ব, আপতিত হ'ব। ক'ত ইনসিডেন্ট হ'ব? অন দা সারফেস অফ দা spherical mirror, on the surface of the spherical surface. So এতিয়া কি হ'ব? এইটো হ'ব অভিলম্ব, নর্মাল। সিৰ পৰা এনলৈকে যেটো লাইন টানিছো, ডটেড লাইন, that is the normal, that is normal, অভিলম্ব বুলি কয় অসমীয়াত। এতিয়া so here you see, so here the image should be real image, we have to form real image, and the object is going and it is incident on the spherical surface. Okay, গোলাকাৰ পৃষ্ঠত কি হৈছে? আপতিত হৈছে। আৰু cn is the normal, অভিলম্ব। এতিয়া পোহৰ পাতল মাধ্যমৰ পৰা ঘন মাধ্যমত গৈ আছে। the ray is passing from, the light is passing from rarer to denser medium. So what is the rule? If the ray is passing from rarer to denser medium, the light will bend. How it will bend? It will bend towards the normal. It will bend towards the normal. Now you have to form real image, and real image is, in case of lens, we remember it is formed towards the right. So it has to form the real image of the object O বিন্দু আকাৰৰ লক্ষ্যবস্তুটোৰ প্ৰতিবিম্ব ক'ত হ'ব লাগিব? সোঁফালে হ'ব লাগিব। That's why I have bent it such that it will meet at the optical axis. This is known as optical axis. This axis is known as optical axis. This is optical axis, and it is meeting at the optical axis. That's why this point I is the image of the object O. I কি হৈ গ'ল? O বিন্দু আকাৰৰ লক্ষ্যবস্তুৰ প্ৰতিবিম্ব হৈ গ'ল। আৰু এটো কি হ'ব? ৰিয়েল হ'ব, হট হ'ব, হট প্ৰতিবিম্ব হ'ব। সো আমি কি পালো? অবজেক্ট যেতিয়া কি হ'ব? ৰেয়াৰৰ মিডিয়ামত থাকিব, ডেন্সাৰ মিডিয়ামত কি ফৰ্ম হৈছে? ৰিয়েল ইমেজ ফৰ্ম হৈছে। ওকে, পাতল মাধ্যমত যেতিয়া লক্ষ্যবস্তু থাকিল, প্ৰতিবিম্ব ঘন মাধ্যমত গঠন হ'ল আৰু প্ৰতিবিম্বটো কি হ'ল? হট হ'ল। তো এতিয়া আমি কি কৰিছো? n পইণ্টৰ পৰা, n পইণ্টটো কি হয়? n পইণ্টটো হ'ল আপতন বিন্দু, incident point. Now from the point N we have to draw one normal on the optical axis, nm is the normal. Okay, nm is the normal we have drawn on the optical axis. nm হল আলোক অক্ষত টনা অভিলম্ব। Now we consider that the incident ray, which one is incident ray? This one. The incident ray is making one angle alpha with the optical axis. আপতিত ৰশ্মি কি কৰিছে? আলোক অক্ষৰ লগত আলফা কোণ কৰিছে। and the reflected ray ni is the reflected ray, ni is making beta angle, and the normal is making gamma angle with the optical axis. Okay, তো আলোক অক্ষৰ লগত আপতিত ৰশ্মি আলফা, প্ৰতিসৰিত ৰশ্মিয়ে বিটা, আৰু অভিলম্ব কি কোণ কৰিছে? গামা কোণ কৰিছে। here you see the gamma. Okay, so এতিয়া আমি চাম কেনেকৈ এই ফৰ্মুলাটো ওলাব পাৰি। ফৰ্মুলাটোৰ নাম হ'ব spherical surface formula. এতিয়া spherical surface ফৰ্মুলাটো কি হয়? এইটো হয় spherical surface formula, this one is the spherical surface formula. okay, গোলাকাৰ পৃষ্ঠৰ যেটো ফৰ্মুলা হয় এটো হ'ব mu2 by v minus mu1 by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by r. যত v হ'ব কি, what is v? v is the image distance, u is the object distance আৰু r হল radius of curvature. মনত আছে v হ'ব প্ৰতিবিম্বৰ দূৰত্ব, u হ'ব লক্ষ্যবস্তুৰ দূৰত্ব আৰু r কি হ'ব, r হ'ব ভাঁজ ব্যাসাৰ্ধ. এতিয়া চোৱা triangle, in the triangle NOC, in the triangle NOC, what we can see, you see, in the triangle NOC, you see, NOC, we can write I is equal to alpha plus gamma. Why? We had a theorem. Did you remember the theorem? The exterior angle of a triangle is always equal to the sum of the farthest interior angles. Did you remember? Here you see, in this case, exterior angle in the triangle NIC, in the triangle, sorry, NOC, the triangle NOC, I is the exterior angle. So I is equal to what? The sum of the farthest interior angles, alpha plus, this is alpha, this is gamma. So alpha plus gamma. Okay, can I write like that? Yes. আমি কি লিখিব পাৰো, আমি জানো ত্ৰিভুজ এটাৰ দূৰৱৰ্তী ত্ৰিভুজ এটাৰ বহিকোণৰ মাপৰ সমষ্টি দূৰৱৰ্তী অন্তকোণৰ মাপৰ সমষ্টিৰ সমান. ত্ৰিভুজ এটাৰ বহিকোণৰ মাপ দূৰৱৰ্তী অন্তকোণৰ মাপৰ সমষ্টিৰ সমান. সো আই এম সৰি, এছামিছত ইমান বেছি মই নাজানিম. এতিয়া চোৱা again in the triangle NIC triangle কি হ'ব, NIC, you see NIC, what is the exterior angle? Gamma is the exterior angle, you see, in the triangle NIC. Yes, gamma is equal to what it is, gamma is equal to r plus beta. এতিয়া r টো ইয়াত দেখুৱা হোৱা নাই, ভুল হৈ গ'ল মোৰ আগতে. that r is the refracted angle, okay, প্ৰতিসৰণ কোণ, that refracted ray makes an angle with the normal. This is r, okay, this is r, this angle is r, this is r angle. So we can say r plus beta is equal to gamma. So from there we have to find out beta, sorry, we have to find out I and r. Why we are going to find out I value and r value? Because we will use Snell's law. Okay, we will use Snell's law. As you know that Snell's law is what? Sin I by sin r is equal to mu2 by mu1. So আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব, I আৰু r ৰ ভ্যালু ওলাব লাগিব. সো আমি ইয়াত কি পালো, আমি ইয়াতে পালো gamma is equal to r plus beta. So if gamma is equal to r plus beta, তেতিয়া হলে r is equal to কি হ'ব, gamma minus beta. So আমি I আৰু r ওলালো. এতিয়া ডায়াগ্ৰামৰ পৰা আলফা বিটা গামাৰ ভ্যালু ওলাব লাগিব. From the diagram we have to find out alpha, beta and gamma. How to find out alpha, beta, gamma? Let me tell you here. Okay, from the triangle NOM, okay, মই কৈ যাম, তোমালোকে চাই যাবা ডায়াগ্ৰামত. From the triangle NOM, alpha, can I write alpha is equal to tan of alpha? Why? That is very important, you have to understand. Why we are writing alpha is equal to tan alpha? Because the alpha is very, very small. This alpha angle is very, very small because the rays are paraxial rays. Okay, so alpha is equal to tan alpha, and we know that tan theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by base, nm by om. Okay, nm by om in the triangle NOM. Again, in place of nm we are writing same nm. We can write in place of om, we can write OP, because this P point is very near to M point. Clear? P and M are very close to each other. That's why we can write in place of OM, we can write OP. Similarly, we can find out what beta. Beta, if you have to find out beta, what which triangle you will use? NMI. In the triangle NMI, what we can find out? Beta is equal to tan beta, is it? We can write beta is equal to tan beta, and it will be what? NM by MI, and we can write NM by PI, because M and P, they are very close to each other. Similarly, we can find out gamma. Okay, so this way we can find out alpha, beta and gamma. Okay, so alpha value we are getting NM by OP, beta value we are getting nm by pi, and gamma value we are getting nm by pc. Now it's very important. Now the next slide, we have to use Snell's law. By using Snell's law, what we can write? Sin I by sin r is equal to mu 2 by mu 1. Okay, mu 2 is what? Refractive index of the denser medium, mu 1 is the refractive index of the rarer medium. Mu 2 কি হল? ঘন মাধ্যমৰ প্ৰতিসৰণাংক আৰু mu 1 হল পাতল মাধ্যমৰ প্ৰতিসৰণাংক. From there we are just cross multiplying. We are writing in this way. This is, and we are writing c in place of sin I. We are writing only I because I and R, they are very very small angle. As we know, for small angles we can write sin theta is equal to theta. So that's why we are writing sin I is equal to I. So mu 1 I is equal to sin, in place of sin R also we are writing only R. Now you see, in place of I we can put this value. You see, in place of I we have got this one now from equation 1 and equation 2. You see, equation 1 and 2. Equation 2 is not correct here. R is equal to gamma minus beta. This is equation 2. Okay, so we have to put the value of I and R here. In this case we have to put the value of I and R. I, in place of I we are writing alpha plus gamma, in place of R we are writing gamma minus beta. So we got the value of alpha as nm by op. We got the value of alpha here. You see, we got the value of alpha nm by op here. From here we have to put the values from values of alpha, beta, gamma in this equation. Okay, we have to put the value of alpha, beta, gamma in this equation. So we are getting this equation, and you see the numerator nm everywhere. So we can cut it out. The numerator we can cut it out, and we will get mu 1 whole into 1 by op plus 1 by pc is equal to mu 2 whole into 1 by pc minus 1 by pi. So this is the equation 3. Equation 3, in place of op, pc and pi, what we can do? We can use the sign convention. You got in class 10 sign convention. So in place of op, you see what we can get in place of op. What is op? Op is the object distance, which is always negative, we know that. And pi is what? Image distance. As the image is towards the right, it will be plus using the sign convention. Similarly, pc will be plus r. R is the radius of curvature, ভাঁজ ব্যাসার্ধ. So c কোনফালে আছে? Right side of the আছে. That's why as the c point is towards the right, that's why it will be plus. And we will get what? We will get these values. Okay, you will see op is equal to minus u. Object distance always negative. pc, it is what? Radius of curvature. pi is the image distance. Here image distance is positive because the image is towards the right. Now if we put these values here, if we put these values in equation 3, what we can get? You see, mu 1 by, in place of op it is minus u. So just putting the values we will get the formula. This formula is called the spherical surface formula. Now if we say that the medium, the first medium, which was the rarer medium, if the rarer medium is air, okay, if the rarer medium is air, then we can write mu 1 is equal to 1 because air is having refractive index 1. As you are writing mu 1 is equal to 1, so no need to write mu 2. We can write in place of mu 2, we can write just by mu. We are just considering mu 2 is equal to mu. So if we put all these things, we will get the formula mu by v minus 1 by u is equal to mu minus 1 by r. This is the formula we have to find out, and this formula is same for all the cases. I'm just showing you the other cases, and you just, it is your homework you to do the other in case of the other formations of image, virtual image, and the image object is placed inside the denser medium. There also you have to find out the same formula. Formula will be same, method will be same. You can try at home. Okay, this is what the object is at rarer medium, and the virtual image is formed. Virtual image means towards the right. You see, this image is virtual, this image is virtual. So in this case, this is your homework, you can do at home using the same means exterior angle, that theorem you have to use. Same this one. Similarly here the object is placed inside the denser medium. Object is placed inside the denser medium, and the image is real towards the right. Clear? Here also, this is also your homework, you do at home. So in the next video, I mean in the next slide, it is what you see, the object is where at the denser medium, and the image is forming where at the denser medium only towards the left. That's why it is virtual image. So this is virtual image. Okay, for virtual image also you have to find out the, you have to find out what, you have to find out, this is your homework, find out the spherical surface formula. Okay, so we are getting, in case of convex spherical surface, this is also convex, we are getting four possibilities. We are getting four possibilities. So first possibility is what, I'm just giving you the review. First possibility is this. Here you see, here the object is at rarer medium and the image is real. Object is at rarer medium, image is virtual. Now object we will put where, at the denser medium, image is real. Object is at denser medium, image is virtual. So four cases are there in case of convex spherical surface. But in case of concave spherical surface, it is something else. In case of concave spherical surface, as I told you, concave spherical surface is what, whose surface is bending inward. ভিতর ফলে যদি বক্র হয়ে থাকে তেতিয়াহলে তাক কি কোৱা হয়, অবতল পৃষ্ঠ বুলি কোৱা হয়, অবতল গোলাকাৰ পৃষ্ঠ. This is অবতল গোলাকাৰ পৃষ্ঠ. Okay, now here one thing you must remember, in case of concave spherical surface, অবতল পৃষ্ঠৰ বাবে কি হ'ব নোৱাৰে, অসৎ প্ৰতিবিম্ব গঠন হ'ব নোৱাৰে. There is no possibility to form, I'm sorry, there is no possibility to form real image. So সৎ প্ৰতিবিম্ব কি হ'ব নোৱাৰে, গঠন হ'ব নোৱাৰে, অসৎ প্ৰতিবিম্ব হৈ গঠন হ'ব. কাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত এইটো প্ৰযোজ্য, অকল অবতল গোলাকাৰ পৃষ্ঠৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত. অবতল গোলাকাৰ পৃষ্ঠৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত কি হ'ব, সৎ প্ৰতিবিম্ব গঠন নহয়, অকল অসৎ প্ৰতিবিম্ব গঠন হ'ব. So we will be having only two possibilities. আমি কি পাম, দুটা পসিবিলিটি পাম. এটা হ'ব কি, অবজেক্ট আমি ক'ত ৰাখিম, অবজেক্ট আমি বাহিৰত ৰাখিম, মিন্স ৰেয়াৰৰ মিডিয়ামত ৰাখিম. তাৰ কাৰণে কি পাম, অসৎ প্ৰতিবিম্বই পাম. ৰেয়াৰৰ মিডিয়ামতে কি পাম, আমি ইমেজ পাম. আৰু এটা কি হ'ব পাৰে, অবজেক্ট আমি ক'ত ৰাখিব পাৰোঁ, ডেন্সাৰ মিডিয়ামত. অবজেক্ট ডেন্সাৰ মিডিয়ামত ৰাখিম, ইমেজো ক'ত হ'ব, ডেন্সাৰ মিডিয়ামত হ'ব. ক্লিয়াৰ? চ' তোমালোকে এইখিনি হোমৱৰ্ক কৰিবা. এণ্ড দিছ ইউ হেভ টু do this homework. Okay, these are homeworks are 5 homeworks are there. Okay, 5 3 to 5, yes, 5 homeworks are there. So you have to find out what relation mu2 by v minus mu1 by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by r. Mind it, you have to use the sign convention very carefully. Okay, sign convention. In this case I am just telling here, in this case how to use sign convention. OP will be what, OP will be the object distance, which is always negative. PI will be what, image distance, this will be negative. Why? Because your image is towards what, towards the left. Clear? And PC, I'm sorry, yes, PC will be plus R. Why plus R? Because your center is towards the right. So this is your radius now, from P to C, this is your radius R, this distance is R. So as this distance is R, this is towards the right, that's why I am writing plus. So this way you have to use the sign convention. চিহ্ন প্ৰথা ভালদৰে ইউজ কৰিবা, আৰু ভালদৰে চিহ্ন প্ৰথা ইউজ কৰি তোমালোকে কি কৰিবা, যেটো ফৰ্মুলা মই উলিয়ালো সেইটো ফৰ্মুলা তোমালোকে উলিয়াবা. খালি এটা কথা মনত ৰাখিবা, ফৰ ৰেয়াৰৰ মিডিয়ামৰ কাৰণে, পাতল মাধ্যমৰ কাৰণে mu1 ৰ ভ্যালু কি ল'ব লাগিব, 1 ল'ব লাগিব, 1. আৰু mu2 জাস্ট তোমালোকে mu বুলি ধৰি ল'বা. mu1 ৰ ভ্যালু কি ল'বা, 1. Why? Because যদি ৰেয়াৰৰ মিডিয়াম যদি কি হয়, বায়ু হয়, বায়ুৰ প্ৰতিসৰণাংকৰ মান সদায় 1 হয়. ক্লিয়াৰ? 1 হয়. যদি বায়ু হয় তাৰ ভ্যালু সদায় 1 হয়. আৰু তোমালোকে mu নিলিখি n লিখিব পাৰা. মই mu লিখিছোঁ, তোমালোকে n1 n2 লিখিব পাৰা. Okay, this is up to you. Okay, so in the next video we will learn how this spherical surface formula is used to get the lens maker's formula as well as thin lens formula. আমি next video কি কৰিম, lens প্ৰস্তুতকৰণৰ formula আৰু আমি thin lensৰ যেটো সূত্ৰ আমি formula, তোমালোকে পাইছা ক্লাস 10ত পাইছা, 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. এটো হল thin lens formula. This one we have to derive. Okay, আমি এটো formula derive কৰিবলৈ হলে আমি কি ইউজ কৰিব লাগিব আমি আজি যেটো পঢ়িলো যেটো ফৰ্মুলা আমি আজি উলিয়ালো হেতু ফৰ্মুলা ইউজ কৰিব লাগিব we will apply today's formula in the next video to find out the formula for which formula thin lens formula and lens makers formula okay lens makers formula when I will come I'll elaborate okay so thank you for watching